Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Vanguard Zadie skin fast in Fortnite step by step. Start by checking the in-game store and battle pass rotations, then prioritize limited time challenges and event pages. Focus on weekly missions that grant skin tokens, earn XP through duo or squad matches, and complete daily quests efficiently. Use XP boosts when available, track seasonal quests, and join time-limited events to unlock the skin faster with focused play. Remember to trade resources smartly, watch for bundle deals, and coordinate with friends to speed up challenge completion. First, prioritize event challenges and the battle pass path that includes the Zadie cosmetic, then aim to finish tier goals quickly through concentrated sessions. Queue duo or squad games to farm XP faster with boost stacking, and focus on matches that complete multiple objectives simultaneously. Keep an eye on weekly reset timers, play daily before resets, and save V-Bucks for guaranteed bundles during key rotations to secure the Vanguard Zadie skin sooner. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more fast skin guides. Quick recommendation: Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Owala water bottle, perfect for long grind sessions between matches. It keeps you focused and saves time when farming challenges, so you can play longer without breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Optimize your play schedule by stacking XP boosts, playing during double XP events, and targeting missions that overlap. Allocate session time to farms where survival and placement counts, and drop into low-traffic zones to complete objective tasks faster. Coordinate with friends to split tasks, trade tips about challenge locations, and check the item shop nightly for flash offers that might shortcut the grind. Also consider watching short tutorial clips to learn quick routes and reset methods for repeatable challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.